The WaveSurfer has 23 measurement parameters that provide an easy way to measure and quantify the waveforms on screen. The measurement parameters can be accessed through the top pull-down menu, a shortcut in the channel menu, or the front panel button. In the Measure menu, up to 6 parameters can be selected. Measurements are turned on by selecting the channel to be measured and parameter to be used, and then turning on the measure table. Additionally, waveform statistics and histogons can be displayed to provide more insight into the measurements. The measured values can be reset by pressing clear sweeps on the front panel.